Hello? Good morning. Hey.
Like, open the gate to your back.
看看老公又在守到他的蓝莓。这2天都被鸟吃了好多。You found the bird?
No, I heard him in the trees.
Too hot.
Okay.
Your blueberry almost gone.
Yeah. Well, there's some there, some there. There's not much on that one. There's some there and some there. I don't know if there's enough to make a pie. So, if they keep eating, then there won't be. And then
Yeah, you like birds like blueberry.
Well, I don't hate birds, and I like them. I like to help them, but this is too much. It's my blueberries, or our blueberries.
The birds. What's your blueberry?老公的驱鸟神器，看看有没有用。
I haven't seen any birds out here yet.
You're funny.
We'll see how the morning goes.
Yeah. Oh, birds!
You gotta retie some of these. What are you doing now?
Cutting it.
Don't cut all of them. You're supposed to leave one.
Oh, then you leave one. Why you need to leave
Just
one?
leave, 'cause
You have good already?
Yes, I want you to. That's a good reason. Please leave one. Thank you. Okay, so let's do these. This is a Pascali rose, Jasminium sandback, and there's only 2 flowers on here because you trimmed them all off. This is a what? Dahlia. This is a gardenia. That's a hybrid tea rose. These are knockout roses. And this is a Lambert rose. It's gonna open here soon. Yeah. You gonna cut those or you gonna leave them? Oh, okay.
Why would you need to cut this?
I don't know. You like to cut everything else.
No. I just cut it that flower. This is so beautiful. See?
You should cut them all.
Why?
Because you like to cut. Yeah, you think that's funny.
You're funny.
Yeah.
You're funny. This house stink.
I know.
Body talk you.
I know. Well, now I can see all the peas. Mm-hmm.
，Don't touch. 哇 ，Don't your hands like this. You just touch
It's nice and strong.
No.
Yes.
一盘排骨，我要跟老公蒸到来做。
Spicy cabbage and shanxi vinegar, fresh carrots, and
老公想吃沙拉，所以他想烤排骨。我呢想吃米饭，本来想做炖排骨。
good.
哎，每天主要是他想吃的时候，他就抓点时间做饭；我想吃的时候，我就抓点时间做饭。Thank you, today very good.
Mm-hmm.
所以就不中不西的，又他妈开始晚餐。晚餐
Wantan
，dinner。
dinner. Wantan
嗯。
dinner. I didn't pull it.
You hear some sound?
Yeah, there's a sparrow and a dove. Ooh, 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 it's a dove.
See?
Yeah, it's a mourning dove.
No, I can't find it.